ask you, like what was the big thing, like, going on when you first came in here? Like, what you have going on?
Lower back was completely out.
Okay.
Could barely walk or move.
I know you're kind of
Right.
sitting at an angle and stuff, and it's been doing better?
All been amazing.
All right, cool. Well, let's lay down here. Let's see what we're at. Let's work down. And here. All right, we'll lay this side up here. And when did you guys just get back then?
Yeah, I got back Monday.
Okay.
Yeah, it was an amazing trip.
Nice. It's ready to go there.
Yeah, we had to have done something right because
There, the
Not
flights,
sore.
the long flights and stuff like
long
that.
flights and everything else. Yeah.
Yeah, I know, I was kind
That's
of worried
what I
about
was
that for a
worried
bit.
about,
Okay, lay on your back, maybe your hip on this side, so go tight. Good. All right, let's get the knife. Okay, nice, all right, we'll come up when we're doing that.
Right.
There, so, yeah, but thanks, yeah, everything's been going good then?
Everything's
Been doing-
great.
All right, cool. All right, well, thanks then, thanks.
All right. Thank you.